Sorry. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, which means watch and learn. And I'm sorry, I was playing game. I'm going to solve the daily coding challenge, left orientation, and it's actually very simple. All right, friends. So the given problem statement was that if you have say an array like this, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? And you will be given two parameters, one which will be the array itself, which is this one. Say we are representing this array with as AR, right? And then you will be given a parameter D, which will tell you how many lateral shift should it happen, right? So whether it would be 1, 2, and so on, right? Okay, so if in this particular array, right, if we are given D is equal to 1, then your array would look something like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And if your D is equal to 2, right, so this is for D is equal to 1, and for D is equal to 2, what you will have is one more rotation, right? So it will be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, right? All right, so if you notice, the pattern is somewhat looks like the slicing of a list in Python, right? So if you see, this is one slice and this is another slice. And what do I mean by that? Let's look at a quick example. Okay, so say you have an array like this, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, right? And say this is my array AR, right? So what will be my value if I slice it this way? So what if my slice looks something colon 3, right? So it means you need to pick the values in position 0, 1, 2, and that is nothing but A, B, and C. And in another way to write the slice for a different purpose is if I put the number in front. So what if it was D colon, right? Then it is nothing but my array, which starts from 2 and goes all the way to the end. That means it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And these are the positions, okay? These are not the actual numbers, these are the index positions, right, in this particular array, or that which is this one, right? So there are 6 positions if you notice, and its value could be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my bad, I'll just erase this one. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the values will I get in this case? This will be nothing but the position 2 is C, D, E, and F, right? So using this simple knowledge about this way of representing, I'll just highlight this. So this way of representing and this way of representing, what I can do is I can do a left orientation in a very simple way. So what you will do is, say given this is your array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, this is your array, and you're given a rotation of D, so your final output should look like 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And so that means I can take a slice, right? So in order to get 3, 4, 5 from this slice, how can we write? So what I can do is I can say 3 is the position in terms of Python, it is 2, right? So the position index can be given as 0, 1, 2, right? So 2 is the index position here. So if you notice, this 2 is nothing but the value that is given here. So that means it starts from that position. So if I take my array like this, so this will give me what? 3, 4, 5. Now to this list I can add another list, and just imagine if I write my array colon 2, then what would be my value in this particular case? Okay, so this will be nothing but the 0 position, which is 1, the second position, which is 2, right? So that means if I plug it here, it will be 1, 2. So my final output will be 3, 4, 512, which is nothing but this value. See, so it's so simple. So in Python code, what you will do is you will write it, definition, give whatever name of the function you want to say rotation left. You will get the array, say AR, and you will get the parameter D. So all you have to do is a single line of code which will return the, if you see here, so this is the first thing that you need. So that is nothing but array of D colon plus the array of colon D, and that's all you need to do. If you are given to ask to rotate it to the right side, then all you have to do is interchange this position. So you do is return array colon D plus array D colon. Alright, so just give it a try, write it in Google Colab, see whether you are able to run it or not. If you face any error or any issue, just let us know, and please share your solution in the description section or the comment section. We'll be very happy to look at it, and if you face any error, we'll also give you the suggestions how to correct it. Alright, so I'm not going to write this simple code in the Google Colab, but if you want we can do so, but I think it's very simple and I don't have to do that. Alright, so I hope you are able to solve this problem. I'll also quickly share the daily coding challenge 6th solution very soon. Till then, you have a great day, and if you really like our Mirror Neuron channel, then please subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Till then, you have a great day.